For Foodco, Nutritics is a one-stop solution to better control our nutritional data and streamline the whole process of recipe development. I'm Shane Middleton. I'm the food development specialist for Foodco. We have two brands within Foodco. One is Muffin Break, and then the other major brand we have is Jamaica Blue Cafes. All of our stores, every item in there is all freshly made on site, and we really have a focus on that fresh coffee and food offer. Here at head office, we develop all the recipes, cost them, work on the nutritionals, and the stores essentially get to pick from a library of the recipes that we hold here. We want to enable the consumer to make better food choices. Within Australia, we have to legally supply kilojoules and nutritional information for all products, so it's very important to keep the consumer informed with all the allergen information as well as the greater nutritional information. Nutritics has improved the efficiencies in the development process. Obviously, the costs have improved with us not having to outsource the nutritionals for each recipe we develop. We looked at a few different ones when we were in the shopping process, and Nutritics was by far the easiest dashboard to use. The onboarding process was really simple. There was a free trial period, which was great. You get a really good idea of what the program can do and make sure it was the right fit for us. Another great thing is that the Nutritics offer a locally Australian, New Zealand based support team. We received a lot of training and guidance. Our key objectives moving forward over the next 12 months with the platform would be, transitioning into using it as more of a cost of goods database as well as the nutritionals, improving our cost of goods across our recipe base, and also continue building the database with our own personal ingredients list, personalising the account more to our specific business.